remind me of someone, but I'm not gonna mention who it is. The guy who introduces his welcome to my garage. Knowledge!
Will motivation. Will motivation.
You're watching Will Motivation. Here is where we create, educate, and motivate. Welcome to Will Motivation.
Right there. So I think he wants to tear me up with that Tesla. Okay, so tell me the story on this Tesla, man. Tell me.
Tesla is actually a rental, but it's a performance Model 3.
A performance Model 3.
Yeah, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds.
Oh,
and,
snap.
Man, it's instant, bro. It's unreal. You gotta get in there.
This the neck snapper, right?
Yes, sir.
That's tight. I like the red and black. That's one of my favorite combinations. So, what year is it?
This is 2018. It's actually not stock. The owner actually had the rims painted. Tinted out the windows, but
2018?
Yep.
I'm scared of that. I heard these things are stupid fast. I've never been in a Tesla actually. We have to compare. Whoop, we gotta compare launch control. It's not bad.
You're right.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Doors go up on this bad boy.
Yeah, I never even sat in a Aventador before. It's easy to get into. I thought with these doors it would be like.
Nah, it's not bad. I got a little
Follow
technique.
Will Motivation. Boom. There it is on YouTube, Instagram.
This thing is crazy.
Did you buy that black one?
The black coupe. Yep, that's what I bought. And
Plays like some romantic music.
Never mind. Let me get out of here, bro. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, nuts is that.
So you get the honey mode. That's honey mode.
What else?
That's
You can play
tight.
some games, whatever.
They got games.
Yeah. But the cool part you're gonna see is the acceleration, man. This thing's nuts.
So you gonna have to take me for a ride one.
Let's do
In
it.
it. Okay. All right. So
Let's
we're getting
ride.
ready to take a little spin and see how fast the Tesla is compared to the Aventador, and then FatKat at the same time is gonna get his shot to go for a ride.
Passenger, yep.
Let's do it. All right. So we got FatKat in here.
Yes, sir.
Getting ready to take his first ride in an Aventador. Is this your first time in an Aventador?
I'm telling you, the first time I ever opened the Lambo door was the other day at your house.
All right. So
I've only seen Lambos at car shows.
So go ahead and tell them a little bit about your channel while we get rolling here.
All right, man. Hey, y'all can look me up. My channel is FatKat, FATKAT, man. IG is FatKat, FATKAT 8181, man. I call it a vlogging channel, but it deals money with cars, car shows, features of other cars, collabs with, you know what I'm saying, with definitely dope people that's doing it in the YouTube game. So I call it a vlogging / lifestyle type of, you know what I'm saying, channel.
Got a Tesla right behind us.
Oh yeah, we do.
And they want to play around a little bit, so we're gonna see if I can keep up with the Tesla. He said he's gonna try to keep up with me, but everybody knows them Teslas got crazy acceleration.
Yeah, right. Exactly.
So,
but this thing ain't no slouch. This thing ain't no slouch. I'm gonna tell you that right now. God, hey, this thing is nice, man. It is. I would say it's not impossible for me to get in here, but it does take a little bit of wiggling around. It's not just to get in your car and go. Oh shit! God. Hey, this thing is goodness Christ. Woo! Yes, sir. And hey, you got people over here like, you got people over there looking and smiling. That's what it is about this car, man. Like this brings a lot of joy to everybody. There you go. Woo! Yeah. Oh my God. Man, that thing shifted like a motorcycle, man. Gee. Yeah, he ain't messing with you, man. Oh no. I mean, you do got to give it his props though, because I mean, that's a Tesla, man, and that's the Model 3. So he probably paid 30 grand for that car. So
that's the Model 3.
Yeah. So you do got to give it his props, but he ain't messing with no Lambo. Not on the road anyway. If it was at a standstill, he might have a little bit better chance, but not on the road, man. Nah, man. He ain't got no chance. He ain't got no chance.
We can hop on through. He's acting up.
That's the difference.
He's acting up. Thing is so dumb. You hear how it sounds though?
Yeah, it's mean.
Bro, on the highway it sounds completely different. You could let me just capture this. He's actually stupid. Will is acting dumb. You don't even be acting this dumb with me. You can let me just capture this Tesla Model 3 versus the Aventador. And you know how much clicks you're gonna get? They're gonna be like, wait, I got.
Yeah, so we just got done running with the Tesla, and we got my man FatKat with us. But make sure y'all check out his channel, man. He's got dropping a lot of good content. Go ahead and plug your channel one more time. Tell them about it.
It is FatKat, man. FatKat. Instagram is FatKat8181. Like I said before, man, just do a lot of content on my car, different mods that I'm doing, give people ideas, as well as obviously trying to collab with or meet as many genuine people in this YouTube game as possible, man. Meet up with them and collab with them and you know, share different experiences, man. My life experiences.
There it is. So y'all make sure to check them out. Next up, we got Joseph Markus, who's in the Tesla behind me. We'll give him a ride in the Aventador as well. But I wanted to make sure y'all go check out his channel, all right?
Yes, sir.
Do that. All right, YouTube, so we just gave FatKat a ride in the Aventador. Did a few little pulls on the freeway with the Tesla. And I gotta say, man, that Tesla's pretty quick, as you guys can see. All right, so we got Joseph in the car. And is this your first time in the Aventador?
First time.
Well, welcome.
Thank you.
Why don't you tell everybody a little bit about your channel, man?
My channel is geared towards cars, but after watching Will, it honestly did motivate me. And I was talking a little bit earlier about what I do for a living, and it goes hand in hand with real estate and flipping houses. And it's definitely something I want to get into. And watching Will's content motivates me. There's no other way to put it, man.
All right, well, we're about to motivate you with a little ride in the Aventador. Traction control kicked in.
That is nuts.
This is kind of smooth though, right?
It's not bad, yeah.
You know, like compared to the Huracan, this is kind of smooth, like to me, really. So.
It is. I actually rented a Huracan in Vegas.
Oh yeah, I saw that video with your dad, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I saw that video.
Yeah, I love that thing, man. It's beautiful.
So anybody watching this video, make sure you go check out his channel. This is our second time, or actually third time meeting.
Yep.
First time we met, I was on the A-Spade rally, passing through Chicago. Second time was when I picked this car up. And shout out to you for actually having some good footage, man. Because I didn't have any footage of the car pulling up in front of the dealership.
I saw
and
that.
so you just came out now. So, you know, the least I could do is
Thank you, man. I appreciate
take
it.
you out in the Aventador.
I appreciate it.
All right.
What are your plans for this car?
Definitely, man. We got to spit fire.
Yeah?
You know what I mean? We got to spit fire, bro. So that means I've got to get an exhaust, and I got to get take out the cats.
Yeah.
So after that, man, it should be pretty ridiculous.
Send it. Oh, man. Listen to this thing, dude. Man.
So I want to take you back here because maybe the most fun I've ever had in this car is launch control.
Oh my god.
That's crazy, right?
Man, the blood from your feet, like.
That's it, bro.
That is nuts.
Yo, my clutch heated up. Yo, this is Will Motivation. Just wanted to say thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to share this video with your friends and be a part of the movement. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Holla.